Hello, trumpet players. This is your video lesson number 5. Okay, before you begin, make sure that your valves are well oiled and moving freely. If they're a little sluggish or not moving like you'd like them to be, you should pause the video, go oil them, and then come back. Okay, you will also need your red Standard of Excellence book. And let's start today with some long tones. We're going to start with a C. The C is down here. Listen. Please play the C with me. Ready? Here we go. And okay, let's try that again. And we're going to go right up. C, D, E, F, and G. Here we go. And then we'll continue. A, and then maybe low B, B, and C also. Here we go. I'll tell you each note. 4 counts. Big breath. Ready? C. Now a D. Ready? Play now. Get ready for your E. Valves 1 and 2. Ready? Play. Good. Now F, first valve. Ready? Play. Now G, no valves up high. Ready? Play. Now in A, 1 and 2 up high. Ready? Play. And now let's go for the low B, down low, second valve, and then another C again, please. Ready? And good. Okay, last lesson, we worked on the higher B flat, which is the first valve. You know, you can play F with the first valve. Or if you make your lips tighter and you play the higher note, it comes out as the high B flat, like this. What I'd like for you to do today is we're going to play some lip slurs. We're going to hold down the first valve. We're going to go B flat, F, B flat, F. Listen, like this. You'll use your first valve. Never pick it up. Here we go. Ready? Let's try that. Da, way up high. Blow hard. Ready? And again. Good. Now let's press down valves 1 and 2. And with valves 1 and 2, we can play A down to E. And we're going to go like this. Listen. Let's try that with me. Ready, honey? A, and now let's do G and C. These notes have no valves at all. So you just go like this. Listen. Let's do it together. Ready, and very good. Those are lip slurs. Excellent exercise for all brass players to do. And then let's turn, please, to page 16. Page 16. And we're going to look at scale skill number 66, down towards the bottom of the page. Notice in this one, it does have the B flat out at the beginning of the key of the staff. That's called your key signature. That means this note on the 3rd line is a B flat, first valve. Let's go over the fingerings and read the letter names. Please do this with me. Ready? C, D, E, F, G, 2, E, 2. D, E, F, G, A, 2, F, rest. E, F, G, A, B flat, first valve, 2, G, 2, A, B flat, A, G, F, 2, rest, 2. Let's play it. Here we go. If you can do the slurs, that's great. If the slurs are a little tricky for you, no problem. Just tongue each note, but make sure that you get all the right notes and hold everything for the right beats. In other words, quarter notes 1 beat, half notes 2. Let's start at the beginning. Here we go, all together. Ready? And rest. How did you do? If you got all the right notes, that's wonderful. If you didn't, it would be a good time to pause the video and try it again. Okay, and let's continue. Let's look at page 17. Let's go down to number 72, the little fish. This is all lower notes. Give your lips a little bit of a break. But I want you to pay attention, first of all, to the first 3 notes in the little fish, number 72. Notice in this one, you have 2 pickup C's, 8th notes, and they go quickly because they're 8th notes. So it goes C, C, E. So you have to go C, C, E. Whoops, I missed that valve. C, C, E, like this. Listen. Could you do that with me? Just C, C, E. Ready, play. Then I want you to look to the next place in that line where you have 8th notes, right here. And notice it goes C, D, E. Now those are 8th notes, so they move a little bit faster. So let's practice that with our fingers. It goes C, D, E. Do that with me. C, D, E. Should sound like this. Listen. Can you do that with me, please? Ready? Play. If you can do that part in the very beginning, I bet you can do the whole song. It's not really that hard. It goes by even quarter notes for the rest of the time, except for a couple half notes. Let's try it again from the beginning. C, C, E. And here we go. The whole song. 1, ready, play. There you go. How did you do? If you did fine, that's wonderful. If you had trouble, try it again. Okay, let's continue, please. Let's look at page 10. We're going to go back to page 10, and let's look at amigos, which means friends in Spanish. It's number 33. Now in this one, if you look at the second half of the first line, you will see you have an A, goes A for 3 counts. That's 3 counts because it has a slur mark connecting the half note to the quarter note. So that's 3 full beats, and then goes E, and then A again for 3 counts. Well, what's nice about this one? You put down valves 1 and 2 for your A, and your E, and your A. You don't have to change your valves there. So starting from the 5th measure, it goes like this. Could you try that with me, please? Ready? Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's do this from the very beginning. Please notice at the end of the first line, it just has a regular bar line, so it's not done. You continue to the second line. Make sure every half note gets 2 beats, quarter notes 1, and a half note tied to a quarter note, 3 beats total. Here we go, from the beginning, number 33, E for half note. Ready? And hope you did okay on that. If you didn't, pause the video and try it again. And then let's continue to page 18. And I'm going to have you do number 79, 4 trumpets only. This one's nice and low. But this was a finger exercise. Helps to develop technique or the ability to move your fingers between the notes. It's the green shaded one at the bottom of page 18, 4 trumpets or cornets only. It goes C, E. Do it with me. C, E. Then here we go. C, E, C, E, C. 2. Then it goes D. You look like spider fingers here. To B. D, B, D, B, D, B, C. 2. Good for the coordination of the fingers. Let's try this together. If you can do the slurs, that would be great. If not, don't worry about it. Just get the right notes, right rhythm. But add the slurs if you can. Here we go from the beginning. Ready? And there you go. This ends our lesson for today. Until next time, take care.